अगर आप जीवन में केवल 13 किताबें ही पढ़ सकते हैं तो मेरे अकॉर्डिंग ये 13 किताबें होनी चाहिए। नंबर 13, द 7 हैबिट्स ऑफ हाईली इफेक्टिव पीपल, रिटन बाय स्टीवन आर कवी। इट टेल्स अ होलिस्टिक अप्रोच जिसमें विकास और सफलता की ओर ले जाने वाली आदतों को मेंशन किया। नंबर 12, द मंक हु सोल्ड हिज फेरारी, रिटन बाय रॉबिन शर्मा। इट टेल्स द स्टोरी ऑफ अ हाई पावर्ड लॉयर नेम्ड जूलियन मैंटल, जो एक हार्ट अटैक का सामना करने के बाद स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी पर निकलता है to discover the true meaning of life and happiness. The book explores themes of personal growth, mindfulness, and finding balance in life. Number 11, The Last Lecture originated from a lecture given by Randy Pausch, जो एक computer science professor थे at Carnegie Mellon University and was diagnosed with terminal pancreatic cancer and used the lecture as an opportunity to share his life lessons and reflections on living a meaningful life. Number 10, The Magic of Thinking Big by David J. Schwartz. This book tells the importance of setting high goals. Number 9, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. It explores the power of thoughts and the mindset needed to achieve financial success. Number 8, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. It presents the author's experiences and the lessons he learned from his two fathers, his real father, Poor Dad, and his best friend's father, Rich Dad. Number 7, The 5 a.m. Club by Robin Sharma. It explores the idea that waking up early in the morning, specifically at 5 a.m., can have a transformative impact on one's productivity, well-being, and overall success in life. Number 6, How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. This book provides guidance on building positive relationships, influencing others, and enhancing communication skills. Number 5, The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. He tells the story of a young Andalusian shepherd named Santiago, jo yatra par nikalta hai, to discover his personal legend or his true purpose in life. Number 4, 12 Rules for Life, An Antidote to Chaos, written by Canadian psychologist Jordan B. Peterson. Yeh book life ki complexities and meaning and purpose guide karti hai. Number 3, The Wings of Fire of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Inspiring Life Journey. And number 2, Deep Work by Cal Newport. It explores the concept of deep work. And last, my favorite book, number 1, Bhagavad Gita, एक भारतीय महाकाव्य महाभारत का एक हिस्सा, and is considered one of the most important philosophical and spiritual texts in the world.